Hey you guys, welcome back. So I am in Dollar Tree. Look at all of those little stuffed animals. I am in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna walk through here and see what we can find. This is the first thing I see. Lots of bath bombs, lots of those, that, and a lot of the Bolero stuff. But I'm gonna walk around and see what we can find. Aren't these plates pretty? Those are so pretty to me. And they have a lighter pink. Oh, that one is out of the package. But they have a lighter pink, and you get 14 plates in each one. They still got some of these tissue garlands, but this one is different than the last one I saw. This one has like a pattern on it, like flowers on a few of them. That's cute. Oh, look, they got some Toy Story LED night lights. That is so cute. They always have night lights, but this is my first, and it's Toy Story 4. How cool is that? They always have the Paw Patrol, but these are fun. And the cute little Peppa Pig. I see the Mickey Mouse, the Avengers, My Little Pony, but that's really cool. I'm thinking if I want to get that, but I don't need it. And Pooh Bear doesn't either. So over here in the stationery, I see some new goodies. Here are some sticky notes. Look at that. When life gives you lemons, start making lemonade. I love the lemon detail on that. And you get 75 notes on that one. This one says dot every I and cross every T. 75 on that one. And this one is always the agenda. I think those are cute. And then up here I saw some new Jot deco tape. Okay, so this one has mermaid off duty on that, and then it has some like scales right here, but that one says mermaid off duty. And this one just looks like some bubbles, and then you get those plain colors right there. What else did I see? This one, it has the feathers, and then it says good vibes right here. So on these rolls you always get like 4 plain ones and then 3 pattern ones. So I see that with the feathers. And then I saw one more right here. So you get the 4 up there, and then this one is some orange butterflies, and then this purple one says strong. It says brave, beautiful, fierce, strong, and some other stuff. And then you have some flowers on that one. And that is the only ones that I see besides some of the older ones with the fox on it. And I swear, every time I come, every week, I find a set of new stickers. So I see these, and these are pop-up stickers. So they're kind of 3D-ish. They used to say handmade on them, but same thing. So I see those hearts. I see these super cute ones. That is really cute if you're crafting. Back to school. Look at that school. I like that one. I love this one. Pretty colors. Those are really cute. Then I see this one with all the airplanes and the hot air balloon and the trains. And then I saw this one right here. I'm telling you, you guys know Dollar Tree is so good for their stickers. They still have all these up here too. But these are the ones that I saw that are new. What is this? There's some new letters. Oh, these are cute. They got polka dots on some and stripes. You get 75. See this color. Oh, and a rainbow. Okay. They're giving Michaels a run for their money. I like those. Right here is some dry erase magnetic planner. I love the fruit on that one. It got watermelon, pineapples, kiwi. So, and this is a giant magnet. So I see that pattern. I see this one. The border of that one. And then I see one more down there. Actually, I see 2 more. So this one, and then this one right here. That one has like the pastel floral picture in the background. And you can just get a dry erase marker, stick this on your refrigerator, or the kid can put it on their locker or something. and use those to keep track of stuff. But I think I want to get this one. I like this one. I like the fruit on that one. And the other day I showed these on Instagram and they're still here. I'm surprised they aren't sold out. These are some notebooks. Super cute, and you unfasten them by the sunglasses. They have like some Velcro. Let me see. I think there's one open. See how it has Velcro? So you can open them and close it like that. So I saw the llama. There's the cute cat with the heart glasses. There's the one pineapple. And I thought there was one more. Cat. There's a unicorn. There is a unicorn, but they must have sold out. Like I said, I put those on Instagram in case you want to see that one. And the rest of this stuff is just the same. Inflatable cup holders. I have that one and the flamingo. These are cute. They got some more of the Tsum Tsums. They've had these in the past, but it looks like they're restocking them. So I see that set. The Cheshire Cat. That's always one of my favorites. There's the Minnie Mouse. Right here. Those three. And then, oh, that's one I didn't have in my collection. The little fish. Flounder. How cute is that? Do I need that? Yeah, I think I do. I want to get the flounder one. And no, I have Minnie Mouse already, but yeah. So these are coming back on the shelves. I normally don't hang out in the toy section like this, but they got some cute little dolls. Look at this one. She's a sports doll. You put her feet on the little skateboard. So these would be really cute to put in Easter baskets. They even have her. She holds the little ring for the dolphin to jump through. A little girl would love to play with this in the bathtub. And I think those are the only two that I saw as far as sport. But then they got some cute little fairies. Super cute. I see green. I see the yellow one. And I see a pink one down here. Oh, I see some new lanyards. These ones have been here with the food on them. But I think I see a cactus one right here. Look at that. That's really cute. And it's black and white stripes. So that looks like that. I like that one. I see flamingos, palm trees. What else? Happy faces. This one. And I think that is it. Well, this pattern as well. That blue pattern. But I really, really like this one. Oh, look over here. They got some bath soaps. It's the only color I see. It says Spa Goals. I don't see like a fragrance or anything. But the color is pretty. Look at these cute canvas bags, you guys. This one is Ghostbusters, and it looks like that, and it is canvas. Kind of cool. I like that, but I really like this one, and it says Popeye. I wish I would have found one that had a Popeye character on it, but I love this olive oil. How adorable is that? I'm definitely going to get one of these. Oh, they still got some of the trinket pots in these designs. They all have the same design, just different colors. So the honeycomb is back there, and they also have the white ones. I was looking through the washi tape, but I don't see anything new besides the other small rows that I showed you. This one looks like it belongs in fall. But yeah, these are the same ones. There's the unicorns. The airplanes. Oh, look at these colors. These are cute. And these are the fragrance warmers that you put up here at the top. But look at that. And they usually have these, they usually look like this. Like, you know, they always have different patterns and shapes and stuff. Those are the round ones. But I like this one the most. And I really like this green color right here. Look at that. Okay, and then they got this pink. I like that. Lord knows I don't need one of these, and I'm tempted. And this one. Lots of holes in them though. But those are cute. And they still got lots of the rainbow cups right here. Oh, this is interesting. Power stick formulated to tame your inner caveman. Here is a beard balm. Controls smooth and styles, tames unruly hairs with argan oil and almond oil. And then I also see a beard wash. 3-in-1. Cleans and refreshes beards. Moisturizes dry skin with jojoba oil and vitamin E. 5 fluid ounces. That's interesting. So they still have the brush buddies, the light up toothbrushes, the penguin and the koala bear, but you always get a good deal when you get the firefly with the 3 in the pack. And these are the Avengers. And then I see My Little Pony, the super cute Hello Kitty ones, and Firefly is a good brand. I like that. But then my favorite one is up here, and this is the Tsum Tsums. I don't even need these, and I want them just because of the pictures. And they got some more of the floor mats, the welcome, the home, and this is my first time seeing this one, but it's super cute, and it says wipe your paws. They have the cute like jar glasses back with the straw. I really like the colored ones. And we have come to the last row, you guys. They still got those sink it plungers, the small plungers in all of these colors. But we have come to the last row. As you see, I'm on my stretch. Look at all those boxes. Oh gosh. So thank you guys for coming with me. I will be coming back. Oh, excuse me. So thank you guys for coming with me. I will be coming back again probably in the next couple days, because there is something I'm looking for. But you guys will see it when I find it, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye. I forgot to go down the snack aisle, probably because I don't need any, but yeah. Talk to you later.